No, what can you say about the movie? Let's do this quick. Helen, come over here, please. Compress. What can you say about the movie?
Nagustuhan ko naman kasi bakit kaya na ang tao na wala man kasalanan ay kulong pa rin. Pero nakakaawa.
So ano pang iba mo naintindihan sa kwento bukod dun sa may nakulong? Ano pang nasa tingin mong naging mahalaga sa'yo?
Yung nagkasundo yung
Sige, huwag mo sasabihin ko sino.
oh,
Nagkasundo ang?
yung
Huwag mo sasabihin ko sino.
pamangkin ba yun?
Ha?
Pamangkin ba yun?
Okay. So, how about you?
Actually, I really did not expect it to be about the prison talaga. Kasi nga, di ko alam na literal pala yung mga tinutukoy nilang chains dun sa poster. So, kapag tinignan mo yung poster, it's very unexpected na it's about prison. Tapos, it was a really good storyline.
Look in here, guys.
I really like the
Compress.
plot. Hindi siya yung typical na plot ng mga action movies. And it's also very emotional. And sa movie na yun, we can really say na the justice system in the Philippines is really messed up. And maraming nakakaawang mga poor ang nakukulong kahit hindi naman sila ang may kasalanan. And this also proves na kahit yung mga dating mga masasama, kaya nila magbago. So I really like Dennis Trillo the most sa acting niya kasi yung yung character niya is very very mahirap i-play kasi mas emotional and very kumbaga controversial siya kasi may sign language ganyan and overall I would rate it 10 over 10. It's
Wow.
really good.
So, we'll just continue afterwards. Okay, bye for now, guys and gals. Compress.